How to fix camera not working on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix camera not working on Android. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Firstly, hold the power button on your device. Then you need to slide towards restart and restart your device. The second step you need to follow is clearing the camera app cache and data. Cache data can sometimes cause problems with apps. Clearing the cache and data can resolve this issue. So you can easily tap and hold the particular camera app. Tap on I button to access app info page. Here, select storage uses and tap clear cache, as well as tap clear data and tap on delete button. Now you need to check whether your issue has been fixed or not. If not, you need to check for software updates. Make sure your Android OS and camera app are up to date. A software bug may be causing the issue and an update may fix it. For that, open settings on your device. Now tap on the search bar and type for updates. You need to wait for a while until the software update option has been mentioned here. Now select software update and open it. If you find any updates, you simply need to tap on download and install and update your software. Once you do that, check for the app permission. If your camera is not functioning in certain application, check if the app has permission to access the camera. Suppose if camera is not working on Instagram, you simply need to hold on the Instagram, tap I button and then select permissions and make sure the camera of Instagram has been allowed. If not, you need to tap on it and tap allow button. So once you do that, lastly what you need to do is simply, if the problem persists after trying all these software fixes, there could be a hardware issue with your camera. In this case, it's best to take your phone to technician or contact the manufacturer for repair. So hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.